And we are in front of the new Weinsberg Caratour MQ 2025 with the actual final price of 81.56 euros. Getting inside to check what have they done, if they have added any new features, and the actual specs based on the Fiat Ducato chassis. Right away we are seeing this foldable table, and the feature that I really like in this Weinsberg now section is the actual slide out, so you can have more room in between the seating, and also have a seating that can go and have a better situation when sitting two adults here. On this part we have two large cabinets and additional storage on the upper part of the screen area, and also additional cabinets right up here. On the top part we will find the pop-up roof, pretty great, and on this side we have a two-cooker stove with a sink. On the top part there is actually a big space for your belongings. On the lower part we can find a kitchen where belonging part where three deep cabinets, actually the fourth is just for the actual techniques, and then this is the actual bathroom, pretty long, should be a lot of space to use it, not bad. Some styled pocket in for your belongings, and a big section also over there and over here, not bad at all, with the actual cassette toilet. Getting on this side we find the Frigo, pretty deep fridge, and under it also some storage space. And getting to the back we are finding four cabinets on top of the bed, and I will be measuring the bed from the back side. Let's get out to test the back side and watch actual size and living space for the actual bed, approximate 1.403, and from this side to the 1.553. Pretty great bed with actual garage 1.357, and at the widest part 1 meter. Not bad. This is one of my favorite under 6 meter camper vans from Weinsberg.